Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export a Perplexity chat. So let's get straight into it. So we have here a few options that we can do that. So first one I will show you here. Now you see this, let's say we want to export this chat. Now if we go at the top right corner where you see this big share button, next to it you will see these three dots. Click on it, and then here you will see export as PDF, export as Markdown, export as docx. Now, let's say export as a PDF. Now it's exporting thread, and if I open this, you can see it's really nice organized with every link that Perplexity used for this article. Now also let's export as Markdown just to see. Okay, so I won't be able, I think, open up this one. All right, okay, this one is a little bit not that organized. And the last one is also export as docx, but I think you know how it looks like that. Now, if you don't have this option or it's something that doesn't work, what you can do is basically just grab the text here and just select everything that you want and then just press Ctrl C, and then on Word document or wherever just press Ctrl V, and this text will be copied from here to the Word doc. And the last one here is also the share button that you can use. So you can use it for private, special people, anyone with the link. So what you will do is just copy the link and you can send it to friends, your colleagues, and or some other people's. And yeah, this is pretty much everything how you can export a chat in Perplexity. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the